accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Had some rain earlier today in Cumberland County and Crossville. Now kind of cloudy, as you can see. We're at top City Hall looking to the west. You see the flags in the bottom corner here. It's pretty windy there. That's actually helping the air quality there, but no rain showing up in immediate Cumberland County. Let's take a little wider perspective here. A couple things we're going to be watching. That storm cluster that came through earlier is pushed down into Alabama. That was what was left of the stronger storms in Middle Tennessee and the rain that approached the plateau. Looks like we may still see a little bit of rain heading towards the plateau over the next hour or two, but I'm focused on this group of storms that's right on the Illinois and Indiana border, because a little bit later tonight there's a possibility we could see some of that. Now, the batch we have initially between Lexington and Bowling Green, that weakens and pretty much falls apart. This is 9 o'clock right through about midnight, 3 a.m. But watch a few more storms trying to develop up towards central Kentucky, sliding southward. So this is why we'll be weather aware overnight. Will these be severe? Not likely. Could they be? One or two. Can't be ruled out, maybe with some gusty winds. But the atmosphere is just not real conducive to see strong storms right now across the area. But just want you to know, you may hear some rumbles of thunder early tomorrow morning, lightning, of course, and some downpours of rain. Now, there is a level 2 out of 5 risk tomorrow for our area and everybody else, stretching all the way back through Illinois, Missouri, up through the Ohio Valley. That's a little more likely for the afternoon round. So if we see some sunshine, which we should, this is midday into early afternoon, then some stronger storms could develop. Another line, it's kind of hinting at that here from the plateau up through Kentucky, that pushes through. Now those could produce some damaging wind gusts, mid-afternoon to early evening across our area. And then guess what? We do it all over again Saturday. That risk area stretches all the way to the west. So why is this happening? Well, the big heat dome that is sitting across Louisiana and Texas, of course, you get clockwise wind flow around this. So when storms develop, like in St. Louis or eastern sections of Illinois, they're going to come right down in our area because of the upper level wind pattern. That's going to stay pretty consistent all the way through the day Friday, all the way through the day Saturday. You see the risk area change, but not by much. But then as this dome of high pressure Sunday moves east, we don't have that northwest flow, we call it. It's more of a west to southwest flow. So yes, we'll still have a chance of showers and thunderstorms, just not so much those overnight early morning varieties. They're mainly late afternoon through the early nighttime hours, okay? So tomorrow, watch for those scattered afternoon storms. 88 degrees in Wartburg, 89 in Crossville. Temperatures about 93 in Barberville, 85 in Middlesboro, 94 in Stearns. It's all going to depend on how much cloud cover you see. The more cloud cover you see, a touch cooler. If you don't, it's going to be warmer. Look at about 92 for Knoxville, 91 degrees down in Loudon, and you head into the Smokies, 79 Chimney Tops, 91 in Pigeon Forge, and 90 in Calderwood. So overnight storm chances, yes, there's an opportunity tonight. Not overly concerned for widespread severe, but we'll just keep an eye on it. A little more likely, as I mentioned, some afternoon storms Friday, and then again, we'll see the opportunity Sunday. Now, these are more of just the pop-up afternoon, evening varieties for Sunday and Monday. So if you've got outdoor plans earlier, it's going to be a little better than later. And yeah, that's the same pretty much as well as we head into the 4th of July. A little less coverage of those storms, still staying steamy. But one thing that may save us from hitting 90 degrees tomorrow, some cloud cover. If we get some of those overnight storms, it may actually keep temperatures down a little bit. So
I know what you're trying to say. That's right.